How to enable approval to join Instagram group chat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to enable approval to join Instagram group chat. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch Instagram. Navigate to Messenger like icon at top right to access your DM. So if you're admin of a group chat, you can control who joins the group. So simply you need to open the group chat you want to manage. Now tap on the info icon in top right corner of your screen. Here you can tap on add button or you can come back and navigate to people. At the top you will see the option to required approval to join. Simply you need to toggle on the button and with that you will successfully enable approval to join Instagram group chat. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.